Hey YouTube, Riding Texan here. I guess on my last little short video, I told you that my GoPro quit. Well, I had to buy a new camera. So now I've got a new camera. I went with the DJI Action 5. And we're gonna see how it does in low light conditions right now. I'm gonna go over a few upgrades I've done to my bike since we have, since I haven't been able to ride because of the wind or the weather. So I've installed the custom dynamics, run, brake, turn. I've installed heated grips, because the other day my fingers were froze and that's what I could find to get the job done. I've also installed the Advanblack saddlebag lights. Got run, brake, turn. Of course, you've seen the Illumina. I do have my Tour Pack speakers working now. I had to get the 500 watt stage 2 amp, but that's all taken care of. And I've got a Saddlemen road sofa, plain. I did not like the lattice stitch. I heard horror stories about the water getting inside the stitching, inside the foam, and you get the wet butt. But I wanted a plain seat, kind of matches my backrest. I also have added the heated elements when I had it built. Another upgrade I did was install a shifter linkage that's got hind joints. Something about the press-in fit. I've heard that they will leave you stranded. Well, I'm not going to be stranded because of a broke shifter linkage. That's running lights. So that's what the custom dynamics lights look like. And that's with the blinker. I figure that's going to give me some pretty good side view. Maybe keep them getting side swiped and rear-ended. Anyway, we're getting all geared up for going to Bandera. We hope to see you there. We're going to go down on a Thursday and probably drop in on a Friday and a Saturday, every rally. We're going to try to ride the Twisted Sisters on a Friday. And then we're going to do the Bjorn trip. I think we're going to stop down at Harley Davidson dealer there and then go to the cave and on the Lugenbach. Anyway, we hope to see you there. Until next time, keep the shiny side up.